Angry? Taka angry? Why?
I saw Mr. Teo with day.
A ball? Hindi man yan sa'yo. It's not yours. Doon ka na, mag-play ka lang doon. Doon. Yung basket mo na sana.
No,
Huwag kang manguha ng bola, oh.
not ball.
Oh, it's not your ball.
Oh, today. It's Thursday.
Uy, nande ka este.
Kole.
Taka dyan na yun, sure. Your ball. Nasa house. Okay? Manguha ka dyan ng ball. Oh, naglalaro yan. Oh, hindi natin kilala yan. Di siyo? Ha? Mag-play ka na dun.
Huh?
Mag-play ka na dun. Yung ano, basket mo. Kunin mo yung basket mo.
No, nine. It's not my ball. I want ball.
Uy, no. Nag-play yan sila, nag-play.
Huh?
Nag-play yan sila. Don't disturb. Okay? Okay? Mag-play ka na lang dyan.
No.
Ay,
I